Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market. Market has closed today. Let's see how the market is going to perform in the coming days. So, good evening guys. As we always start, let's start our review preview with Nifty 50. If you take a look at 1 hour chart in Nifty, the Nifty has formed, if you take a look at here, it has given us somewhere like double top. The market has formed a previous high double top. The market has broken the previous low neckline. So we can expect a correction in Nifty 50 today. In the coming days, we can expect a little bit of correction in the coming days in Nifty 50. So the levels, what levels we can expect the correction is? We can expect it to come around this level, which is around 15,475. We can expect the Nifty to come around this level, which is around the previous low of daily. We can expect the market to come around here. It may form a double bottom there and it may go upwards. So wait for the correction. After the correction is over, we'll see how the market is going to perform, how the market is going to react in the coming days in our coming preview and review. So Nifty, now it is in correction. So, and for Bank Nifty, if you take a look at Bank Nifty, as we already said, the Bank Nifty has broken the 1 hour sideways market. Now, we said in our previous yesterday review and preview that the market we can expect a retracement, a correction in the Bank Nifty. So, Bank Nifty is in a correction phase. After the correction is over, we can go for an entry. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty, we can expect a correction. It may come a little downwards after the market will go upwards only. So wait for the retracement. After the retracement is over, we can do accordingly. So, and for the next step, we are going to look at gold. We take a good look at gold. Gold is traveling in a sideways for very long days. So you can see gold is traveling in a sideways market for many days. So we can expect gold is in an inversion movement. So let's wait. Don't worry. We'll inform how the market is going to perform in the coming days. In our next preview and review, if the market breaks, whichever comes first, if the market breaks upwards or if the market breaks downwards, we'll inform you. Don't worry. Now the market is in an inversion movement. So wait for the market. After the breakout is happened, we can go for the entry accordingly. So this is our preview and review for today. Thank you. Alright guys, these are the patterns which is formed in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.